If you've been tracking COAI Coin lately, you might have noticed some intriguing activity that could hint at a potential short-term market move. Whales are gradually moving in, trading volumes are spiking, and social chatter around the coin is louder than ever. On-chain data shows that several high-value wallets have been increasing their COAI positions, signaling accumulation that often precedes a bullish breakout. Historically, when these whale wallets start stacking a coin, it tends to create short-term upward pressure as smaller traders notice the activity and join in, driven by fear of missing out. Over the past few days, trading volumes have surged across multiple exchanges, with unusual buy orders indicating that large investors are positioning themselves strategically. This is further supported by blockchain data highlighting that COAI has seen a notable increase in active addresses and transaction frequency, which typically correlates with heightened market interest. It's important to note that such accumulation phases do not guarantee a pump, but they are strong indicators that market movers are preparing for potential price action. Beyond on-chain activity, social media and community engagement are showing signs of renewed excitement around COAI Coin. Mentions on Twitter, crypto forums, and Telegram groups have spiked significantly, with hashtags related to COAI trending at multiple points over the past week. Sentiment analysis from these platforms shows a predominantly positive outlook, with retail traders expressing optimism about upcoming catalysts and potential short-term gains. Social engagement is not just noise, it reflects market psychology and can often precede tangible price movements. When communities are actively discussing a coin, sharing charts, and predicting breakout scenarios, it increases awareness and attracts new investors, creating momentum that can amplify the impact of whale activity. In COAI's case, the combined effect of growing social buzz and rising on-chain activity suggests that interest in the coin is consolidating, setting the stage for a possible market move. From a technical perspective, COAI Coin is showing signs of forming key breakout patterns. The coin has been consolidating around critical support levels, with recent lows serving as a strong foundation for upward movement. Resistance levels have been clearly defined by previous price highs, and a close above these points could trigger a short-term surge. Chart analysis reveals potential bullish formations, including ascending triangles and cup and handle-like structures, which are classic indicators that a breakout may be imminent if volume supports the move. Notably, spikes in trading volume have often preceded minor upward price movements, suggesting that accumulation phases are ongoing. The correlation between volume and price indicates that market participants are increasingly active, and if this trend continues, a breakout above resistance could attract further buying pressure from retail traders and smaller investors who monitor these technical signals. While the market remains volatile, the consolidation patterns and technical indicators suggest that COAI is positioned for potential upward movement in the near term. In addition to on-chain and technical signals, upcoming events and announcements could act as catalysts for COAI Coin's short-term price action. Exchange listings, strategic partnerships, or product updates often serve as triggers for investor attention and market movement. For COAI, any announcement regarding new collaborations, technological developments, or adoption initiatives could amplify existing momentum, especially when combined with whale activity and heightened community engagement. Timing is critical, as market participants often react quickly to news, driving temporary price spikes or creating periods of increased volatility. While events alone are rarely sufficient to sustain a long-term trend, they can provide the spark needed to ignite short-term interest and encourage accumulation among both retail and institutional investors. The key is to monitor these events closely and assess whether they align with existing technical and on-chain indicators. Considering all these factors, what does this mean for potential COAI coin investors or traders looking for short-term opportunities? There are two primary scenarios to consider. In a bullish case, if whale accumulation continues and COAI breaks above established resistance levels, we could see a significant short-term pump, driven by both retail FOMO and continued institutional interest. Technical setups, including the consolidation and breakout patterns mentioned earlier, support this possibility, especially if social buzz and trading volume remain high. Conversely, a bearish scenario could unfold if whale activity slows or if key support levels fail to hold. In this case, the coin may experience a correction or a temporary dip, underscoring the importance of risk management in volatile markets. While historical patterns and current indicators suggest a higher probability of upward movement, cryptocurrency markets are inherently unpredictable, and volatility should always be anticipated. In conclusion, COAI Coin is currently positioned at an interesting crossroads. The combination of whale accumulation, technical consolidation, and growing social engagement suggests that short-term upward potential exists. On-chain data confirms that high-value wallets are strategically positioning themselves, while trading volume spikes indicate active participation from both retail and institutional players. Technical analysis highlights key breakout zones that could trigger significant market movement if breached, and upcoming events may provide catalysts to accelerate momentum. However, as always, it is crucial to approach the market cautiously and make informed decisions, keeping in mind that cryptocurrency trading involves substantial risk. Monitoring whale activity, social trends, technical levels, and news developments will be essential for anyone looking to capitalize on potential short-term opportunities in COAI Coin. For viewers, staying informed, tracking key indicators, and maintaining a disciplined approach will be the difference between riding a successful pump and being caught off guard by a correction. This is why understanding the full picture in chain, social, technical, and fundamental is vital to navigate the dynamic crypto landscape effectively. So, is COAI Coin about to pump? The signs are promising, but volatility is inevitable. Keep a close eye on key zones, monitor whale movements, and always make decisions based on careful analysis. If you found this breakdown helpful, subscribe, like, and comment your thoughts on COAI's next move. Let's navigate this market together.